Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make free crypto with the help of FaucetPay. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what you have to do is to log into your FaucetPay account. So you go ahead and log into your FaucetPay account. So I've already logged into my FaucetPay account. Once you log into your account, at the very top, as you can see from here, you just click on these three dots as you can see from there. Just tap on that and then you select all, or you just tap on all, then to give you all the extra options you see here. So now we actually spoke about ways that you can actually make income from FaucetPay, and then we said some of them is through what faucetless or faucet. So that's what we're trying to do now. So you go ahead and tap on earn. So you just actually want to earn free crypto, so you click on earn, and once you do that, these are the areas where you can earn from. So you can earn free crypto from faucetless, offer walls, as we spoke about the other time. So we are focusing on the first one, which is faucetless. So we're going to tap on faucetless, and then you will be presented with all faucetless available. There are a lot of faucetless available right here, as you can see, a lot of them. So you look through, there's one that we're going to talk about today. So the one that we are talking about today is called A Crypto. So we're looking up for A Crypto. So this is what I want us to talk about today, and it is called A Crypto. This one, A Crypto. So you go ahead and click on View. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to the website of that particular A Crypto that we just clicked on. So this is their website. So we are going to perform a tax, and after the tax is performed, we are actually going to be credited a certain amount to our FaucetPay. So we're going to do that, and we go back to FaucetPay and confirm whether the income we got was credited or not. So when you scroll through, these are some of the things you can do. You can actually faucet claims are available here. We have many methods are also here. It has instant payouts, and then payments are made instantly, and then so these are the list of faucets. So you can claim free BTC, you can claim Ethereum, you can claim Dogecoin, you can claim. So you have to select what you want to claim, and it will be credited to your account. I prefer to go for free TRS because that's what I actually linked. So during the time you are linking, so if you haven't watched the video of linking your Trust Wallet with your FaucetPay, you go ahead and watch the last video. I'll leave the link in the description as well. You watch the video so that you get to understand how to link your Trust Wallet with FaucetPay. So I'm actually going to claim free TRS. So I'm going to tap on free TRS. So you can see we can claim up to this amount of Satoshi every 5 minutes. So we go ahead and we click. So every 5 minutes we can come back and do the same claiming. So you have to decide which one you prefer. If you want USDT, it's also there. If you want BNB, whatever you prefer, you go ahead and then you select that to go ahead and do that. I prefer to go for free tier, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Tron Faucets. So once you do that, you'll be redirected to that faucet that I selected, so that you can see from here. Remember, in order to redeem this crypto from A Crypto, you need to provide in here your FaucetPay's email address. So you need to have, or you need to put in there your FaucetPay's email address. All earnings will be credited to your FaucetPay via your email address. So you put in there you need to know your FaucetPay email address. So all that I need to do is you provide your email address in this box, as you can see from here. So I'm going to input here my email address. So right after providing your email address, you just go ahead and then you go ahead and you tap on login or sign up. So you tap on login. And this is it. So you'll be presented with this interface. All that I need to do is to verify. So you can see from here one more step. So you need to provide this captcha. So it says I'm not a robot. So you tap on that. Then you solve the captcha available. They are asking us to go for motorcycles. So this is one, this is one, this is one, and this is one. After that, you click on verify. So after verification is complete, you just have to, so verification is complete. So you click on verification. So now it says, dear user, please, we always try to continue to provide you with the best. Please help us by clicking on one of the ads. Thank you. Matter of fact, don't do that. Forget about that. That's not why we are here. We are here to claim faucet from. So we are not going to actually click on anything. Leave it as it is and go ahead and click on OK. That is all you need to do. Now you are here. You've logged in, as you can see from there. Then now, after that is done, now you go ahead and click on claim from faucet. So you tap on that. So there are some adverts that pops up. When you see such advert, just like it has happened, I have to click on back. So I have to go back. So that takes me back once again. So I'm back to the page. Now I have to solve the captcha as I see it here. So according to what I have in here, this is what I have to follow. The first one is school. So as you can see, the first one is school, the second one is hospital, the third one is border, and then this one. So I have to follow it as it is. So on the list, the first one is school. So I have to look for school. So school is found at the bottom here. The next one is hospital. So we look for hospital. The next one is border. I look for border. The next one is store. I look for store, and I'm done. After that, I click on I'm not a robot once again. Then solve the captcha. They're asking us to go for bicycle, motorcycles. Okay, so now I've been verified. So once I'm verified, all that I need to do is then click on what? Verify. Once I click on verify, they will actually create my FaucetPay with an amount. So let's see. Let's go ahead and click on verify. So you can see it says your faucet claim of 111 Satoshi has been sent to your faucetpay.io account. So you have to wait for 5 minutes in order to claim once again. So this is how you can claim your free crypto. So we actually claimed that of what? TRS. So you can also decide to claim it for other coins that is available in there. So now that is then, they are saying that they have actually claimed it. So we have to go and confirm if really it is true that it was done. So we need to go back to our FaucetPay account. So if go back, if possible, in a Google search, just go ahead and type faucet again. Then it takes you straight to your FaucetPay. You scroll down and you can see that one paid out has been received today, and you can see the coin I have collected today. Now what we have to do is scroll down to see where the payout came from. So let's scroll down. Then you can see recent faucet transactions, as you can see from here. And then we are seeing that the first or today's transaction was done on the 9th of January. Today is 9th. So as you can see, 9th January 2025, and it came from Faucets, Faucet. That's where we actually went to claim the faucet. And then the coin that we got, or the Satoshi that we accumulated, was this in TRS. So that's the amount we actually claimed today. So that's basically how you do it. So that particular faucet that we went in for, if you want to do it after you claimed, you have to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you go back and perform that as well. I'll be taking you through the simple ones that you can follow, and then you can be able to make some crypto or free crypto from there. So that's basically how you can redeem your first crypto. Thank you all for your time, and then I'll see you in the next video.